In a crowded city plaza, a calm observer asks strangers to swap a memory for a small token and a smile. Most pause, then share a moment of loneliness or courage, while the scene hums with quiet, empathetic energy. When someone declines, the observer thanks them and moves on, revealing how hesitation shapes everyday kindness. A curious student stays, turning the moment into a bridge between strangers and a lesson about listening. By dusk, the plaza feels lighter, proof that tiny exchanges can ripple into trust and connection.